Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing this what I got for Christmas. I know it's late, it's already January, but I'm sorry, I just gotta do this. I was about to vlog because I literally just got home from my friend's birthday. It's not really her birthday today, but her birthday will be on the Sunday, but she has other plans on, with her husband. But anyways, we just ate at the Iron Age. I think it's in Virginia, Centralville, somewhere in Virginia. But anyways, I was about to vlog, but then when I pull out my camera, there is no memory card on the G7X, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So anyways, I just snapped some IG stories and call it a day. So anyways, first things first, I'm so excited because I ordered this last 2 weeks ago. It's not like really like a Christmas gift, but I just call it like a Christmas gift to myself again. But anyways, I ordered some stuff at Burberry right here. So I ordered a bikini because I am so excited to tell you guys that I will be going home pretty soon, but I don't know what month of the year, what month yet, but I'm just not telling you guys yet because I'm not sure. I even haven't booked a ticket. So I got a Burberry bikini. I saw this after I ordered this. I saw this on Rayher Mars Instagram, and I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw her wearing this same bikini that she posted, and I was just like, oh my god, it looks so good in her, and I'm gonna probably look like a witch when I wear this. But anyways, this is the Burberry box. It comes with this box right here and the ribbon. I already opened this yesterday because it came yesterday. So this is actually my first Burberry designer swimwear, whatever you call that. And like I said, it's open. Right there's the Burberry, and you guys, look at this piece. Look at the top. It says Burberry right there, and then the checkered, antique yellow checkered, I believe the name of this. I don't know, forgot the name, but I'll just put it in the description box below. But this is the back of the bikini. So there's no foam or anything like that. So maybe if I wear this, I think I'm just gonna wear like never mind, I'm just gonna wear it as is. So that's that. And then in the back there it says Burberry. I really like it. It's very cute and unique, and I don't have any designer swimsuit, and I'm just really happy about it that I got this. So can't wait to try this on and wear this to when I go back to the Philippines soon. And the bottom is like this right here. It's very stretchable as well, and it says Burberry in the front, same as in the back. It's very lightweight, and like I said, it's very stretchy. So I can't wait to actually wear this and take a lot of pictures. And it has like the Burberry brand in here. I think I might just cut this extra because I don't want that in my ass. This is so long. It's a long tag. So that's that, you guys, and I'm just so happy. Sister-in-law got me this. This is the ultrasonic aroma diffuser. So I've been wanting to buy one of these diffuser, but I don't know what to get and what brand to get. But when I saw this and when I opened my gift, I'm just like, oh, so timely. So yeah, this is the diffuser, and I believe you put like a water and essential oil. She didn't get me essential oil, but then I got myself a lavender essential oil. I got it at Walmart, and I want to try it actually, but I think the water that I have to use is, hold on, spring water. No, isn't we green? Wait a minute, where is the instruction? Benefits, that's the benefits. Where is the instruction? Water tank use water. It just says use with water and natural essential oil, but I don't know what if I can use tap water or spring water or distilled water. I have no idea. Maybe I'll just look it up online, but I will show you guys what it actually looks like. Okay, there is paper. Dumb of me. I'm just gonna read it later, but I want to show you guys what it actually looks like. It looks like this. I like it. It's brown, and I think you just open it. Oh, so you put the water and everything in here inside, like the essential oil. Okay, so I can't wait to try this, and I will let you guys know if it's good. So it looks like that. I'm just gonna put it back here actually. So the essential oil is, I believe, $4 at Walmart. This one right here, I just got the lavender. I was looking for the eucalyptus because I really like the scent of the eucalyptus as well. So I just got the lavender. Next thing is my coworker got me a gift. Autumn, thank you so much. She got me a Revolution makeup. This is the Radiance highlight palette right here, and I do have this highlighter before. I didn't use it though. I actually bought it for my friend Mariella, but oh my god, look at this. Look at the palette. Now looking at it, I want to use this shade, this like golden shade, and mix it with this one right here. I like mixing my highlighter actually, and it comes with like a big mirror, so I really like that. I'm just gonna put it here in my highlighter collection so I can use them as soon as possible. Thank you, Autumn. And then she also got me a journal. I think this is Today I Affirm, a journal that nurtures self-care. So this one right here. So I believe you can just, because I really like journal. Now you guys, I started last year, and I also started planning my day, which is I do have a 2020 planner. And I don't know, my life is just easier now, and it's more organized than before. So I really like that for me, you know. I really like that for me. But yeah, this is I think like a journal-ish book. So it's just I'm gonna give you guys an example of the page. So the first is, what am I at this moment? And I think, you know, you just write down like what are you feeling at that moment, or this moment, like who do I want to become, and then you just, you know, you just write it down over there. Moving on is, I ordered online and also Christmas gifts to myself from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the box it comes with, pink box. And I got a couple stuff actually because they were having sale as well. So I got a face primer from Kylie Cosmetics, and I've been wanting to try her face primer. And yeah, right here, that's the packaging. This is the packaging actually. She really looks good. And then this is the product right there. I'm just gonna put it here. There, so I'll just throw the boxes away. And the price of the primer is, I don't know, it doesn't say here, but I'll just put the price on the screen. Now I also got 2 lip gloss. I get the shade Clear, as in clear, K-L-E-E-R, and Snatch. So let's see, I do have a clear lip gloss from e.l.f., but I gave it to my friend Viola. So wait, clear, I think this is, okay, so this is clear right here. It's a pinkish undertone lip gloss, and this is Snatch. Don't freaking mind my nails right there. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna throw the box away so I can start using the lip gloss, because I'm really into lip gloss right now, you guys. And next one is Ice Latte. It's a lip liner. I love my nude lipstick. If you know me, I really love my nudes. I'm actually wearing the Sunny's Face lipstick, which is in the shade Milk Tea, and the lip liner I'm wearing is from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Cafe. So I also got a Kylie lip liner in, like I said, the shade Ice Chai. No, not Ice Chai, Ice Latte, right here, right there. So it's more of like nudish, like your typical latte or coffee latte. And then last but not the least is I want to try her eyebrow powder eyebrow, because I've been using my Anastasia Brow Dip and I haven't really like tried different eyebrow product. And I got the shade Ebony, and then this is, oh my god, I think it's, wait, you guys see like this like product in the pan? Maybe it's broken or something, or used, but that's how it looks like. Shade Ebony right there. Okay guys, next one is for my friend Clarice. She gave me this Peggy makeup headband. It's so freaking cute and soft right there. Thank you, Bear. And then next one, she got me Pocky. Oh my god, she made me buy this Pocky sticks. I bought like 3 or 4 packs of these at a grocery store, and I got the chocolate. I couldn't find a strawberry one, and I told her it's super good, like it tastes really good like the chocolate one, and I haven't tried the strawberry, so she also got me this. Thank you so much, babe. And then next one is, oh my god, a bath bomb right here. I also got her bath bomb. Actually, it's like a set bath bomb, so we just exchanged gift, and I also got her a birthday gift. Next one here is, it's the heavy one. Ooh, brown sugar shea sugar scrub. Wait, what? I think I saw this at Ulta. Ooh, oh my god, it looks like a melted brown sugar, and it smells good actually. So I believe this is for your body, made with shea butter. I think I gotta ask her. I think it's for your body. You scrub this. All right, so this is right there. It's from 3 Hut there. Next one is, ooh, from Essence Lash Princess. It's a mascara actually. I do see her using this, and I can see like the length of her mascara, not mascara, her lashes. And next thing here, oh my god, there's a lot. Oh, the Freeman Cleansing Clay Mask Scrub there. Thank you, babe. I do have the green one. It's just the 1-inch sachet, but I don't have like the bigger product like this, so I'm really excited to use that. Like, I really do love my skincare. And next one is another peel off mask from Freeman. This is Balancing Moonstone right there. And then she also got me some she got me highlighter. This is in Be My Highlight. I don't have this shade. Wait, where is that? I don't know, but she got me another highlighter from Essence in the shade Be My Highlight. Thank you, but you know I love my highlighter. Guys, she got me a putty primer. I actually ran out of these because I've been using my putty primer, and it's so tiny. She got me another one. I was thinking about buying this at Target earlier. Oh my god, right there. I really like this putty primer, you guys. This reminds me of my Tatcha primer. It's like, if you can afford a Tatcha, this one is like your, like the dupe of the Tatcha, because I've been using that primer like ever since I got it, and it just reminds me of that the Tatcha. The Tatcha one is just way so expensive. So anyway, last two is she got me a LA Girl pencil in the shade Bear. No, she know me so well. I love my nudes. And last but not the least is the Slick Makeup. What is this? Avoid eye. What is this? Oh, it's a highlighter right here. Highlighter with a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here so I can start using them, because I feel like I'm gonna promise myself this is gonna be the last month of me buying makeups. And you know, I'm really grateful that my friends also got me makeup and my family got me makeup. So I promise myself this is gonna be the last month that, you know, I'm buying myself a makeup, because I really do want to use them all before even purchasing another product, because it's kind of like a waste of money. I keep buying makeup and then, you know, not using them, and it's just like, you know, stuck in my studio room, and you know, Anyway, next thing is, I forgot who gave me this, but this is the Maybelline Chick Heat. I think this is the new one. I totally forgot who got me this, but it's a Maybelline Sheer Gel Cream Blush. Oh, okay, so it's a blush right there, and the shade Nude Burn. I believe this is new because I haven't seen this before. I'm not sure. And also this one, oh, it's lipstick. I actually bought this myself. It's like a set. It's like 6 set, and then the rest of the 3 shades I gave it to my friend Clarice. So I kept the shade number 12, 24, and 17. This is the NYX lingerie lipstick right here. Just a shade. Okay, next one is from Bath and Body Works. This one has been sitting here since like forever. So I got a couple of hand sanitizer because I ran out of my hand sanitizer already. I believe I got 5 of them a couple months, like last year, like December time. I actually gave the 2 sanitizers to my friend Viola, and I kept 3, and I put 1 in my work bag, 1 in my car, and then 1 on my, like, you know, go-to bag if like I go out. And then it's so tiny, and I always use hand sanitizers wherever I go. Like after washing my hands, I put hand sanitizers after. So I stock up on my sanitizer because they were having like sale. I think they were like 5 for 7 sale. So I got Don't Quit Daydream right here. I also got some Island Margarita, and I got Ocean Citrus, and I also got Stay Magical. Where's the rest? Oh. And I also got the Fresh Water Aloe. These are really cute, you guys. And then I got more candles. I know I do love my Ski Lodge. I always burn them, and it smells so good in the studio. I got the Land of Sweets right here. They were sale for like $10. No, $10.50. This one right here. This smells really good. It smells so freaking good. And next one is, I believe this is the eucalyptus. I'm not sure. No, this is the pineapple mango. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. If you just can't smell it on the screen. Right there, the pineapple mango. It smells like pineapple and mango. Like the, oh my god, it smells good. Also, if you haven't watched my unboxing type of haul, the Louis Vuitton 4-key holder and also the pochette accessories, I will probably put it in the screen or in the link down below. I also got that myself for Christmas, and my husband got me a vacation. I think it was like an 8 or 9 day vacation. It's a ticket to Bahamas. We're going on a cruise soon, so I'm really happy about that. It's not like a surprise anymore because he told me that, you know, that's gonna be his Christmas gift to myself, and I'm really happy that, you know, we're going on vacation because my husband and I have this thing that we are going on a vacation every year, no matter what, like what month, but we just have to go on vacation every year. Like we promise ourselves to, you know, go on a vacation every year. And you know, I'm just so grateful that, you know, we're gonna go on vacation again, and I can't wait to go on vacation because I've been just so tired at work, and I've been working so hard, and I just need to relax and, you know, go on like a nice cruise. And we've been to the cruise actually, I believe 2017 to the Bahamas, the Nassau Bahamas, or 2016. I'm not sure about the years, but I believe we already went there a couple of years ago. I believe it's 2017. I'm not sure, but it was a really beautiful place to go and visit. I highly recommend to go to Bahamas. It's a nice place. I know they just had a storm, or like there's something going on over there, but anyways, it's a beautiful island to visit, and I can't wait to go there. Also, comment down below what you guys got for Christmas. I know it's really late to film this or even upload this video, but oh well, I'm already here. So like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you made this far, girl, boy, what are you doing? I know you're gonna come back, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I see you Anyway, I hope you guys have a nice beautiful day ahead, or evening, afternoon. I don't know what time of day it is in wherever you're watching this. If you're in the Philippines, Canada, United States, good night, good morning, good afternoon. Bye.